In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a weekly to-do list in Notion. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed by your tasks, Notion can be a powerful tool to help you organize and plan your week effectively. So, let's dive right in. First, make sure you are logged into your Notion workspace. Just head over to your connected workspace, which serves as your hub for all things wiki, documents, and projects. Once you're there, simply click on the Login button to access your account. After logging in, you'll find yourself at Notion Home, which is the starting point for building your new weekly to-do list. Now that you're on the Notion homepage, you'll want to locate and click on the Templates section. Templates in Notion are a great way to kickstart your organization with pre-structured layouts that you can tailor to fit your specific needs without having to start from scratch. Once you're in the Templates section, use the search bar to look for a weekly to-do list. Typing those keywords will bring up several template options specifically designed for managing weekly tasks. It makes the next step of the process significantly easier, as you have a variety of layouts to choose this template that works best for you. Select a template that you find appealing or matches your workflow preferences. With so many designs available, you can pick one that's packed with features or something more straightforward, depending on how detailed you want your planning to be. After selecting a template, click on Add to bring it into your workspace. This step essentially downloads and sets up the template in your Notion for you to start customizing. The final step, and perhaps the most fun, is to edit the template according to your specific needs. This could be as simple as adding your tasks for the week, assigning priorities, or setting deadlines. The beauty of Notion is its flexibility, so don't hesitate to tweak and adjust everything from the color schemes to the layout itself. You can even add notes or subtasks to each main task to break it down further and ensure you stay on top of all your responsibilities. So there you have it. Creating a weekly to-do list in Notion is as straightforward as that. Remember, the key is in the customization. Make it work for you. Adjust and iterate as you go along to maximize productivity. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you found these steps helpful. Get started with your new organized week, and happy planning!